Here's how to sign up for Robinhood. The first thing you're going to want to do to get a free stock is click the link in the description or the top comment down below. You'll see it just like this here on the screen. Once you click that, it's going to take you to the browser view depending on the YouTube app and what you have selected as your default browser. But one way or another, you'll get to this spot where you can claim your free stock. So you get a free stock by signing up through that link. We actually both get a free stock, so you help support the channel. Now you click on that and it's going to have you enter in your email address you want to use for your new Robinhood account. After we do that, we're going to hit continue. Now, if you haven't already, it's going to probably prompt you to download the app. If you have downloaded the app already, which I recommend, then it's going to take you to the app to finish the sign up process. So we hit continue. It's going to bump us over to the app. You see here you get a stock valued between $5 and $200. And so we're going to enter in that same email address that we're going to sign up with. And so then we're going to continue through the sign up process. I'll take you as far as I can, but basically this sign up process is pretty step by step. We hit continue and it's going to have us choose a password for our account. Once you have a password entered that's long enough, you hit continue again. And then it's going to ask you your legal name. So this should appear on any government IDs that you have. Anywhere your legal name is, this is what you enter in here. After that screen, it's likely going to have you set a PIN code for your account. It may have you do some other things as well, but basically you're going to continue to fill out everything for your account. Once you've verified your PIN number and everything, you're going to be inside of here where you have to verify your identity and complete the sign up process. So to complete the sign up, you're going to click on that complete sign up button. If you haven't already done this, you're going to have to go through and allow Robinhood to collect certain information to basically verify all of your information and make sure everything is legal. So Robinhood will ask you for things like your phone number, your address, etc., to make sure that you're legally allowed to use this app, trade, have an account, and all of that. And so once you complete that process, you've officially signed up for Robinhood. So as I back out, you'll have an account here. You'll be able to go through all of the different options and actually look at your account. And so that is how you can sign up for Robinhood and get a free stock with that link in the description or top comment down below.